Hi, welcome back to Quantum Tech Lab. I'm Luna and today I'll guide you how to turn on flashlight when phone rings on Samsung Galaxy devices so you never miss an important call again. Open the Settings app. This is the central hub where you can control and customize your device's features. Now scroll down and see the accessibility and tap on it. Accessibility includes helpful features designed to improve visibility, hearing, and interaction with your phone. Next, scroll down and select Advanced Settings. Inside this section, look for the option called Flash Notification and tap to open it. This feature allows your phone to use light alerts for calls and notifications. You will see two available options. Camera Flash Notification. This uses the rear camera's flashlight to blink when you receive calls or notifications. Screen Flash Notification. This makes your screen flash with a bright color when notifications arrive. To turn on the flashlight when your phone rings, enable Camera Flash Notification by toggling the switch on. You can also enable Screen Flash Notification if you want an additional visual alert. Once activated, your Samsung phone will flash the camera light whenever you receive incoming calls, making it especially useful in noisy environments or when your phone is on silent mode. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy simple and practical tech tutorials, stay connected with Quantum Tech Lab for more helpful guides to enhance your digital experience.